Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Krishna Bosle from TYCO2. We are here to explain our project topic, Python program to display calendar. Group number 2 team members are Krishna Bosle, Aditya Shilar, Chinmay Chakral under the guidance of Professor Sonali Shirke ma'am. Let's start our presentation. First, introduction. Python program to display calendar. Python has a built-in functions calendar to work with the date related task. You will learn to display the calendar of a given date in this example. To understand this example, you should have the knowledge of the following Python programming topics. First one Python modules, second one Python programming built-in functions. Main content. Calendar module allows output calendar like the program and provides additional useful functions related to the calendar. Calendar class creates a calendar object. A calendar object provides several methods that can be used for preparing the calendar data for formatting. This class doesn't do formatting itself. This is the job of subclasses. Calendar class allows the calculation for various tasks based on the date, month and year. Source code. Program to display calendar of the given month and year. Importing calendar module. Import calendar. We are importing our module by using import keyword. Yes, we are using variables here. YY is equal to 2017. that is for month is equal to 11. To take month and year input from the user, YY that is our variable is equal to int. We are casting here input enter year. After that is equal to int input enter month. Here we are entering year in YY variable and month in variable. Display the calendar. To display our output, print calendar dot month and here passing our variables that is year and month. Yes, we can see here output for 2017 January. We are seeing here output like this. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.